So I'm doing a video on how I dermaplane my face for the first time. So you have to start on a clean face, which I wash my face. I use my peppermint scrub, exfoliator, and then I went out with a cleanser. Why I did that is because, like I said, it's exfoliating. I know it hasn't been necessarily getting off my dead skin. And then I use my CeraVe as an extra cleanser. And now I'm just gonna put a little coconut oil on my face. And the key thing is to not be rough on your face because you are going in with the razor. So here's the razors I'm gonna get. Originally I got them to do my eyebrows, which I would do. So in this video, you can clearly see everything getting pushed off my face. And I am going in very gently. I know it doesn't look like it. And you'll see like the oil that was on the razor coming off my face. So I'm going to show you that a couple times. In this video, you can see it better, which is why I'm putting in 2 clips of me doing it. So this is the video that I seen on tour that made me want to do it, but I realized they put a yellow mask on the face, so that's why it looks like so much skin is coming off. It's just a mask, so you're not going to get a lot of a different shade just doing this, but it will help with dark spots and discoloration. As you can see, I'm getting stuff off my face, but because this is a DIY, I don't have the mask that's gonna make it look like more is coming off when actuality is not. So the way I'm doing it in this clip made it so much easier. It was gliding across my skin. In the first clip, it was harder for me to get the hang of it. Second time around, it was much easier. So I went over my face a couple times, like maybe twice. And the second time was much better. And I realized if you have the right technique, you won't have to do it a couple times. Hey, I didn't hurt myself. It went very slow. And my first impressions, I would continue doing this. I may even go and get it professionally done. It's called DERMAPLANING, and I heard it's $90 for 6 weeks. That's not bad. So throughout this whole process, this is what I got off my face. So afterwards, clean your face off. And like I said, be careful. So I'm going to come back in a few days and see my results, how it looks. And thank you for watching.